Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this session we are going to learn how to find out employee with their managers in SQL. So it is a very common question for the interview. Okay, here you can see we have a employee mapping table. Okay, and we have the data like this: employee ID, employee name, their designation, and their manager ID. Okay, so we are just going to copy this data and go to the Excel. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to do some like this. So now we are going to understand how we are going to achieve this like this. Okay, so here you can see the data, and we are going to copy this data. Okay, right. So here you can see we have the same data into sheets, into tables. So what we are going to do here, you can see this is the employee ID and this is the manager ID, and here we are going to use uh, the same table to get this information. That means it is a self join, or you can say we are going to utilize inner join. So here you can see this is the manager ID and this is the employee ID. So we are going to call him table A, and that is table B. Okay, now in table A we have a manager ID, and in table B we are going to link up with the employee ID. So we need all the data from table A. So we are going to use left join, and table B with the table B. So here what we are going to do, if I am going to insert something like that, okay, give me a minute. Where is the insert chart page layout formula insert? Yeah, here in the shapes I'm going to use this. So here I need this employee ID with this manager ID. Okay, and the same thing you can see here, I'm going to use this manager ID with this. Okay, so you can get now, and the same thing for this as well. So in table A we have a manager ID, and table B it is a employee ID. Like this. So give me a minute. Yep, like this. And the same thing is here. Control V. The two manager ID is the employee ID in table B. Okay, now you can see here the manager ID in table A is a employee ID in table B. Like this. Okay, so here you can see there is a join between manager ID from table A with employee ID with table B. So let's go to the our SQL environment, and here you can see I am going to use it this table as a, and I need all the column from this table, all the records. Then we are going to use left join. So I am going to use the same table again as a table B on that is a dot manager id equal to b dot employee emp id, and here we are going to put a. We need all the column from table A, and then we are going to call the name of the employee from table B, but we are going to rename it as a manager name, b dot amp name as employee manager name. Okay, now we are going to execute this. So here you can see, so this is the data. I'm going to copy this data with the headers and going back to my Excel and going to use it. Now you can see here. Okay, so here in this case you can see RF Singh has a manager ID 1 and 1 employee ID is for Ryan Arjun. So you can see here like this. Okay, the same for the Pakshi Arjun where manager ID is 1. So it is so 1 manager ID is represent for Ryan Arjun. So you can see it is very easy to get the employee manager name in SQL. So first of all you have to understand your table structure, and then you have to uh, write a SQL query. So yeah, please like, share and comment. If you have any question, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.